Hello students, today we are going to start with the next assignment which is based on secondary economic activities. So this particular assignment is the chapter number 5th which belongs to 12th standard geography. So the first question is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, that is BHEL, is an example of dash. Options are private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. So the right answer is public sector because this particular company, that is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited company, is owned by the state. So because of that it belongs to a public sector. Next question. The Tata Iron Steel Company, that is TISCO, is an example of private sector. State whether it is true or false. So the right answer is true because it belongs to a private sector. It is owned privately by the Tata owners. Next question. In joint sector, this involves an industry owned and managed jointly by the government and an individual or individuals or between two or more governments. So basically, joint sector has an involvement of many of the people. They are working jointly, they do an agreement together for a particular organization. And second point is the amount of investment and shares of profit depends on the level of the involvement of both the sides. So how much particular party is doing an investment, that much amount of share he will be adding and that much value in return or the interest in return will be given to him. So both A and B are the right answers. Next question. Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited is an example of dash. Now options are public sector, private sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. So Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited is an example of joint sector. Next question. MNCs is abbreviated as multinational corporation, municipal neo companies, make nation cooperatives and municipal nation companies. So the right answer is multinational corporation. Next question. Hindustan Lever is a private sector, has its headquarters in. So examples are India, London, Japan and China. But as the name is Hindustan, but the headquarters of Hindustan Lever Company is not in India, but the headquarters is in London. Next question. When operations of a privately owned industry or public owned industry extend to more than one country, then such industries are called as. So municipal corporation, multinational corporation, public sectors and joint sectors. So if a company has its branch in some other country, it is having its branch or its business occupied in so many countries, then we call it as MNC, that is multinational corporation. Next question. Private sector enterprise is owned by a private individual or partnership of private individuals. So this particular option has the options are A is correct, B is correct, both A and B is correct. So basically private sector enterprise is owned by a private individual or it can also be owned by in a partnership of private individuals. So both A and B are correct. So next question is TISCO is. So the full form of TISCO is Iron, Steel, Tata Iron and Steel Company. So this is the right answer. Next question. Micro industries. Options are does not exceed 25 lakh. It works at local level. Pens, dairy products, etc. are manufactured and all the above. So in the case of micro industry, all the above is the right option because the investment in the company, that is making the company or the plants which you bring the components in your company must not exceed beyond your 25 lakh budget. So this was all about the assignment related to the secondary economic activity. Thank you for watching.